Hey, and welcome by this new video. Partly we continue where we ended the last video because I'm again hiking and I'm again hiking in the same area. I'm in the same hiking route as I was like last week. And today I felt that I wanted to do a short breathing exercise here in the mountains. And I thought, let's shoot it on this video, do it together, and also share it with you as this daily practice what you can do at home. What we're gonna do today is the Bhastrika. It is a very explosive breathing exercise, what is energizing your body and like cleansing, emptying the mind. The first time that I learned this breathing exercise was already 6 or 7 years ago by a course of Art of Living. There it was in the Sudarshan Kriya, it was a longer, very long pranayama from like an hour, and the Bhastrika was a part of it. But since then, I splitted this longer pranayama up a lot of times in my life, and I used like little tools. So instead of doing the whole hour, I used parts of it. And I like the Bhastrika the most because I'm like kind of fiery in my element. I'm kind of energetic and I love to move, and that is in this Bhastrika. So I'm sitting on my knees, so you can sit on your knees as well. That's the best posture. Then you can like sit straight with your hips like very solid on the heels. So you have like a very solid posture because we're gonna move the arms and then your body is like most stable. Before you start, like clean the nose because you're gonna breathe out so explosive. So if there is something in your nose, it's gonna come out. So you better can empty it already. And the Bhastrika goes as follows. That's it. So if the elbows in the side, the hands like this, with the breathing in, you spread the fingers and you spread the arms, and with the going down of the arms, you breathe out. So in the falling of the arms, you also press the air out of the lungs. So that makes it very explosive. It's not like this, but it's really like that the elbows and that the arms like press the air out. And because of this explosive and high intense rhythm, you charge so much oxygen in a short time that it's very charging. So we're gonna do 3 rounds of 21 reps. Officially, how I learned it is 20, but I always like to be in this cycle of 3, so we do 21. And within the rounds, we take like 20 or 30 seconds to breathe like slowly. And we also start with breathing slowly and we end with breathing slowly to balance the yang Bhastrika a little bit out of some yin. So start with closing your eyes, sit straight, and breathe in and out through the nose already, but on a very gentle, slow, and deep rhythm. And prepare within yourself energetically, prepare already for what we are going to do. Set an intention, what you want to experience, what you want to let go, how you want your energy to shift. And with an intention, you place the elbows in your sides, a hand as a fist, and we start in 3, 2, 1. We breathe in. Breathe fully in and breathe fully out. And breathe normal for a couple seconds. And take the last breath in. Place the elbows in the sides again. Make your posture to start the Bhastrika. And we start in 3, 2, 1. And come to a normal breath again. Now we prepare for round number 3. So place the elbows in the side and set an intention to do it with everything you got. So a lot of air in, very explosive out. In 3, 2, 1. And let go. And balance your breath out by slowly breathing in and out. And feel within yourself how your energy field is shifted, how you feel different as before you started. And from here, set an intention for the rest of the day, how you want to feel, what you want to attract. And we take one more breath in. Fully out. And on your own moment, open your eyes. Yeah, so I use personally this breathing exercise sometimes. I prefer others, but I use it sometimes if I have very little time. For example, if I have a call or I need to be ready for something and I don't feel like I'm very energetic and I just have 5 or 6 minutes, then I choose this one most of the times. And sometimes within retreats, what I'm also doing to prepare someone for a deeper session. So a lot of times in the morning when we're gonna do something, people are like still a little bit in the sleeping mode or like a little bit laid back. And then I also do some things like this, like shaking or this Bhastrika to like lift the energy up. And then from that point, we're gonna do what we really need to do. So I'm not really using it as a breathing journey, but most of the times I use it to prepare myself or the people I work with for like something else. So I purely use it as an energy shift. So that was what I wanted to share with you, this practice of this week. So I hope you enjoyed it. Leave in the comments behind what you liked about it and see you in the next video. Bye bye.